Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Black Shark 5. So in order to do this, first let's open Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, and here we want to enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here you can sign in to turn on synchronization, I'm gonna do it later, set up for your data sharing preferences, accept or not, then confirm. Last is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. You can skip it by pressing on now, or set as default to make it happen. Now let's select Edge and then set as default. From here we can start browsing, so let's open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.